What is going on, folks? Anders Larsson here, and today I'd like to discuss how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Sign up for affiliate programs in your niche. So I will create a short video clip using a fantastic web app that makes video creation so much faster and easier. I'm sharing this because I know you are probably here because you are looking to make some extra money online. You may have only been researching so far, but I know this is a trap because there are so many options to choose from, and some people simply want to bait you into purchasing something that requires a lot of experience to work. However, thanks to this program, what I do is very simple. All you have to do is write a script or have someone else write it for you and then feed it into this web app, which will spit out a video. It is extremely fast. However, this will only provide you with some extra pocket money. When I first started in 2019, I realized I needed a real solution to my financial problems, and I was especially looking for it because of my previous failures. I asked for help because nothing worked for me, and I got recommended by someone that had real success online to use the same solution that she used. And thanks to her recommendation, I joined a program that a lot of people have success with. And I got an amazing education in digital marketing and so much confidence to finally throw away all the things that didn't work and begin my journey as a YouTube influencer. My success is increasing as a result of this decision. I will reveal how I make money online at the end of the video, but now my friend Jeff is going to take over and talk about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, sign up for affiliate programs in your niche. Alright, over to you, Jeff.
Thank you, Anders. Pick a niche. You need to pick a specialty before you even consider affiliate marketing. A topic or a category is referred to as a niche in marketing. You can focus what affiliate product you advertise by picking a niche. As a newbie, you ought to concentrate entirely on one affiliate network or product. You can expand to other programs once you gain more experience and start to see some results. It's preferable to select a specialty for which you have a lot of interest or experience. This is due to the fact that it is much simpler to advocate and sell a product in a market that you are passionate about. And if you're passionate about the subject, you won't become bored. Never will it seem like work. Here are some suggestions for lucrative niches. Dating, online, woodworking, natural gardening. DIY projects include ceramics, rug weaving, and sewing. Making money online, investing, trading currencies, etc. are all examples of parenting wealth. After selecting a niche, you must locate an affiliate product to market. Search for niche name affiliate program to locate one. Pottery affiliate program, for instance. Some of the top affiliate programs for newbies are listed below. Affiliate program for Amazon, the affiliate program for Walmart, affiliate network for Bay, and more. Ray Affiliate Network. An affiliate network application is an alternative. Many different companies' affiliate programs are managed through affiliate networks. You can access a huge variety of affiliate programs by joining a network. Among the well-known affiliate networks are CJ Affiliate and ClickBank Marketplace. Rakuten ShareASale, JVZoo to get you started. These are just a handful. Find out if a network has affiliate programs in your desired niche before joining. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Thank you, Jeff, for sharing this. Okay, so my main way of making money online is through a system for digital marketers. I joined the system in 2019 and it really made a big impact on my journey to success. After gaining access to this incredible training that this system provides for digital marketing, I realized that the learning process is actually quite straightforward. Use it on yourself, then show someone else how to do it. So what does that mean? During my training that day, I take one gold nugget because I already know what's important to me. I can put all of myself into that powerful moment. Now I have something to share with my audience. And this is what you should be doing as an influencer. When you show someone else how to do something, it really helps you remember how to do it yourself. Simple things that most of us take for granted can be very helpful to someone who is just starting to learn something new. It is easy to forget how powerful something is that we already know. I know that it has to be other people out there that need that information. I can't stress how important it is to get educational content from the right source, because there are a lot of people that just copy content without really understanding how things work. Imagine if someone just typed something into a blog post just to get some words out, just make it sound like it was done by a pro to get people interested. Then from that, another guy creates an article from it and links to an affiliate product. Do you follow my train of thoughts? I'm so grateful that I joined the program that I use in my business so that I have access to the right education. I put a link to it in the description if you want to check it out. You will be taken to my landing page, and if you are not interested in my free video training, I will provide a red button that will take you to one of the landing pages of the system that I'm using. You can get started on it right away. This might be the best way to get from where you are now to where you want to be. It is all about making money in service, not at the expense of others. Why not hit the like button if you discovered anything new that you thought was important enough to remember? This will definitely help my YouTube channel grow. Also, if you want to see more of my videos, click subscribe and then bell to be notified when I post a new one. Stay safe, take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.